So I met this metaverse real estate investor and he took me to his property and told me how he plans to monetize it. So this is on the Somnium Space metaverse platform. I was using virtual reality, and what we had to do was go to this teleporter, which took us to where we would have to go walk to his platform. So Somnium Space is a little different. They don't have any instant teleportation features like Decentralized because they want to give utility to different NFT vehicles so that people can travel the world and see different NFT parcels. Me and him didn't have any vehicles, so once we got to the teleporter that was closest to his parcel, we walked over, and this was the tower that he built on his parcel. I did not expect it to be this massive, so after I walked in there, he showed me around a bit, and then I just asked him, what are you doing with all of this space?
You never did any events?
Right now it's open for rental right now. So the idea is we're gonna be renting the tower, and we're gonna drop a teleportation because I have a teleport as well. Yeah, so here, so people can access it very quickly, and then we can customize to the event, add the media, provide the NFTs, whatever it is for the people, just to provide an end-to-end service. Yeah.
That is like a concierge.
And if they need a DJ or need anything, we have the connections here in Somnium to provide the services as well. Yeah.
So after he gave me the rundown, we went up to the rooftop and checked out the view of the Somnium Space Metaverse platform. Like and follow for part 2.